So we just arrived in our overwater suite and they gave us this cute bottle of champagne and some little desserts. It's a really nice, like, traditional looking area. So there's a sitting area and then the bed in the middle with this cool, like, aquarium thing where apparently you can drop fish food. Behind the bed is this lovely bathroom with like a soaking tub. And here's our view. There's a little TV. When you go outside, sitting area, dining area. This place is unreal. God. And down here there's a little platform where you can jump directly into the lagoon.